If you're in sales or operations, you know the struggle. The dreaded commission spreadsheet. It's a tangled mess of formulas, tabs, and manual entries. It's a full-time job just to keep it updated, and it's a source of constant frustration for everyone involved. But what if there was a better way? That's where the Spiff Designer comes in. At its core, Spiff Designer is a powerful, visual tool for creating and managing sales commission plans. But it's so much more than that. It's a revolutionary approach that combines the familiarity and flexibility of a spreadsheet with the power and speed of an automated system. So why is it so useful? First, it's all about simplicity and speed. Instead of wrestling with complex formulas and broken links in a spreadsheet, you can build a compensation plan with a few clicks. It uses a low-code, user-friendly interface that makes it easy to set up even the most complicated plans, like tiered commissions, accelerators, and bonuses. This means you can design, test, and deploy a new plan in minutes, not months. Second, it provides real-time visibility and transparency. In the past, sales reps would have to wait until the end of the month to see their commission statement, and even then, they'd have to cross-reference multiple documents to figure out where the numbers came from. With Spiff Designer, every rep has a personalized dashboard that shows them exactly what they've earned in real time. They can see how every deal contributes to their total and even forecast their future earnings. This transparency builds trust and keeps your team motivated. And finally, it's a tool for collaboration and accuracy. It eliminates the constant back and forth between sales, finance, and operations. Because all the data is in one centralized, automated system, you can say goodbye to discrepancies and errors. Spiff integrates with your existing tools, like your CRM, to pull data automatically, ensuring every calculation is accurate and audit-ready. Ultimately, Spiff Designer is a game changer because it gives you back your time. It takes the pain out of managing commissions, allowing sales leaders to focus on coaching their teams and reps to focus on what they do best, selling. It's the end of commission headaches and the beginning of a smarter, more transparent way to work.